Hi, I'm Nolan, owner and craftsman of NolanBuilt, where we provide custom hardwood dining room tables and conference tables for residential and commercial locations. I've been doing this since about 2009, but the business was established in 2015, and we've been providing beautiful custom-made pieces for families and owners of businesses since then. So we craft with any type of wood that the customer wants, whether it be from anywhere from southern pine to black walnut. You know, we go from the design aspect of it with the customer and choose what colors and finishes they want. And after they agree on that, we take it from there and provide the beautiful work to them in their homes. I actually prefer doing the custom dining room tables, mostly because that's where the family is gathered around, and that's where most memories are going to be made. A family table will last a lifetime coming from NolanBuilt, and it can go from generation to generation, and those memories will always be there. So we are not limited to custom tables. So we will done anything from custom cabinetry to custom dining room tables to hardwood tables to custom vendor carts, food carts. So anything is available to be made, and I can take whatever design you have in your mind and make it come to fruition. After I bought my first house, I wanted to do some remodeling projects and do some things, and couldn't afford contractors, so said I'd try it myself. And since then I've been buying tools here and there and making things just out of necessity. Then I started making things for other people, and it's grew from there, and the passion is still burning inside me to take this and build the business on it. So you can find more information about NolanBuilt and photos and more information about who I am and what I do on NolanBuilt.com.